Hey, everybody! Ready to learn our surface area of the sphere. And then we're going to get our party on. Okay, so I know we just learned about the volume of a sphere. So now we're looking at the area, the surface area of the sphere. So what can you tell me? What is the formula for the surface area of a sphere? Absolutely. It is 4 pi r squared. And once again, remember that r always represents the radius. All right, so there are 3 steps to solving for the surface area of a sphere. All you're going to do is step 1, please write the formula down. Step 2, you substitute the given variables. And then step 3, you're simply going to solve for the missing variable, whichever one is missing, possibly the surface area or the radius. All right, so let's get rolling. Back to my boy Waldo. Let's see, where did he go wrong? So we're going to find and explain Waldo's mistake, correctly solve the problem. What is the surface area of the sphere shown below? Surface area equals 4. Come on, Waldo, you tripping. What did Waldo do wrong? I don't even want to go through the question. Can you tell? Absolutely. One of the steps I believe I mentioned in the last video. You guys have to pay very close attention to what the instructions are asking you. And in this question, it's asking for the surface area. Waldo accidentally started writing out the volume formula. So again, we know his answer's all messed up, okay? At least I do see here his radius. He did place it in the R spot. He did square it. That's a good thing. But once again, he simplified the 36 and the 3, which gave him 12. There is no 3 in the surface area formula. Okay, so again, please, 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 guys, I know it just takes a couple of seconds. You have to write the formula down. Follow the instructions and please write the formula down. You're going to get this right, Waldo. Where did you go right? How about let's start with that? Okay, so what is the surface area of the sphere shown below? Perfect. He's got the formula right this time. So its surface area equals 4 times pi times the radius squared. Excellent. Step 2. Beautiful. He substituted his radius, which is 6. Good job. The next step, he did 6 times 2. Thought I was going to catch you, huh? Nope, he did 6 times 6 and got 36. Awesome. And the next step, he does his 4 times 36, where he gets his 144 pi, or again, you can multiply out the pi, and you'll get approximately 452.4 inches squared. Great job, Waldo. This is what I want to see all the time. Okay, so we're going to find the volume and surface area of the sphere shown below. So here the instructions are asking us to use 3.14 for pi. And it says we're going to round to the nearest whole number. All right, let's get it. Let's go, let's go. All right, step 1. Bam, formula, write it down. So it looks like we're going to start with the surface area. Good job. SA equals 4 pi r squared. Beautiful. Step 2. Put those variables in. We've got our radius, which says it's 14 centimeters when you look at our sphere. We went ahead and substituted the r. Great. Next step, you could at this point go ahead and stick in your 3.14 since it mentions in the instructions that that's what you're going to use for pi. The next step, you can go ahead, do your 14 times 14 or your 14 squared. That's how you get your 196. Last step, multiply all of that together. Okay, you're going to get approximately 2,462 centimeters squared. Great, we're done. Oh, you already know we not. Let's go. What's the next part? We have to find the volume, okay? Yes, your teacher will murder you if you do half the question. So you got to get the next part. Woo, volume formula. That was just so long ago. Man, we just did it in the last video. What is it again? Yes. Good job. V equals 4/3 pi r cubed. Excellent. Next step, go ahead and substitute your radius. Remember, this time it's volume, so we're not squaring, we're cubing. Okay, good job. The next step, we can go ahead and throw in that 3.14. Next step, go ahead and do your 14 times 14 times 14. Okay. Final step, I'd go ahead and start simplifying, or I would actually multiply the entire top row, then divide by 3. So then we can get our 11,488 centimeters cubed. Okay, remember we're cubing these units. Perfect, guys. We own it. Last question. Yay! We have the Earth's diameter along the equator is approximately 7,926 miles. Assuming the Earth is a perfect sphere, what is the approximate surface area of the Earth? Leave your answers in terms of pi. So we're going to deal with some big numbers here. All right, so we have the diameter is approximately 7,926. Phew. But they need the surface area. So we know for surface area, our formula is 4 pi r squared. But we don't have the radius. I know you guys are becoming pros. How do I find that radius again? Absolutely. You know that the radius is the diameter divided by 2. It's basically half of the diameter. So all we're going to do is this 7,926, we're going to divide that by 2. And that's going to give us 3,963. All right, so we have our radius. So now we're just going to substitute the information in our formula. So we had equals 4 times pi times our new radius, which is 3,963 squared. Ooh, you already know that's going to be a big number. Let's check that out. So we have 3,963 squared. OMG! 15,705,369. Good Lord! I don't even want to write that down. Let's go ahead and multiply that by the 4. Woo! Our answer is 62,821,476 pi. Don't forget the pi, because remember, this question wanted us to leave in terms of pi. So technically, it's even bigger than that. So our units, what are they again? It was square miles. Oh my goodness, that is large. Great job, guys.
Joanna.
All right, guys, great job.